Strategies to build highly productive remote teams. WorkStatus. Are you new to managing remote teams? Are you struggling to communicate and collaborate with your team members? If yes, you are not alone. 60% of companies worldwide find it difficult to manage remote teams. If you are looking for ways to make your remote teams highly productive and efficient, this video is just for you. So, let's get started with 10 quick ways to improve the productivity of remote teams. Develop healthy conversation. Keep your team members engaged to boost their workplace productivity. Provide positive feedback to keep them motivated. Show them you respect and care for them. Take regular breaks. Allow remote teams to feel refreshed and ready to perform. Make employees more productive. Provide higher job satisfaction. Check in regularly. Schedule regular time blocks to stay updated on projects. Better focus, and more energy. Make group meetings easier. Set goals together. Better alignment on goals keeps you laser-focused on results. Stay in control of your business. Give proper feedback. Constant feedback creates room for improvement. Share likes and dislikes about your team's work. Open communication builds trust among team members. Increase everyone's morale. Create a growth plan with inputs from all team members. Make your employees feel connected every time. Track results and celebrate successes. Recognize and reward your staff for achieving goals. Make employees excited about coming to work. Celebrate achieving a tight deadline or big project. Invest in work management software. View all remote teams' activities on a single dashboard. Get real-time updates on every task. Automatic clock in and clock out. Create opportunities for collaboration. Use tools like Skype, Hangouts, etc. for easy collaboration. Give project updates at the same time to everyone. Now that we understand how to build a highly productive remote team, what to do next? Simple. Choose a powerful workforce management software solution. WorkStatus is the world's leading workforce management software trusted by over 60,000 businesses across 67 countries. Take a free demo of WorkStatus with our experts today and embark on your productivity journey.